Is your furnace struggling to keep up with Minnesota's harsh winters? Don't let a cold house disrupt your comfort. Bob Boldt HVAC is here to help. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we specialize in fast, reliable furnace repair services designed to keep your home warm and your family comfortable. Our team of certified technicians has the expertise to diagnose and repair all makes and models of furnaces. From unusual noises and uneven heating to complete system failures, we handle every furnace issue with care and precision. With decades of experience serving Dakota County and the surrounding areas, we understand the unique challenges of Minnesota winters. We're committed to providing top-quality repairs, transparent pricing, and customer service that exceeds expectations. When you call Bob Boldt HVAC, you're not just getting a quick fix, you're gaining a partner dedicated to your comfort and peace of mind. Don't wait for small furnace issues to become big problems. Contact us today. Why is my furnace not heating properly? A furnace that fails to heat adequately may have issues such as a dirty filter, a malfunctioning thermostat, or problems with the pilot light or burners. At Bob Boldt HVAC, we specialize in diagnosing these issues quickly and providing effective solutions to restore warmth to your home. How do I know if my furnace needs repair? Signs your furnace may need repair include unusual noises, inconsistent heating, frequent cycling, or increased energy bills. If you notice any of these symptoms, our team at Bob Boldt HVAC can perform a comprehensive inspection to identify and fix the problem. Do you offer maintenance plans to prevent furnace repairs? Yes, regular maintenance is the best way to avoid costly repairs. Bob Boldt HVAC provides customizable maintenance plans to keep your furnace running efficiently throughout the heating season. This includes cleaning, inspections, and performance optimization. Where is Bob Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/Burnsville-HVAC/.